Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Anvi and today I am going to show you the recipe of Rava Upma. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are finely chopped tomatoes, peas, finely chopped onion, urad dal, mustard, cumin, rava, salt, water, coriander leaves, peanuts, turmeric powder, chopped ginger, some curry leaves and green chili. So let's start. Now take a pan and add the rava in it. We'll roast it for 3 minutes. Now take a pan and heat some oil and now add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, half a tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Just mix them. Now we are going to add finely chopped ginger, finely chopped chilies and curry leaves. Let them cook for 5 to 1. Now everything is cooked. I am going to add peanuts. Just mix them. And now I am going to add finely chopped onions. We'll mix them. And let the onions cook until it is golden brown. Now my onions are golden brown. I am going to add tomato, peas and salt. 1 tablespoon as per taste. We'll mix them and let the tomatoes become soft. Now my tomatoes are soft and the peas are cooked. I am going to add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. We'll mix them. And now I am going to add 1 glass of water. Mix them and let the water boil. Now my water is boiling. I am going to add the roasted rava in it. We'll mix them and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes with a lid. Now the suji has absorbed all the water and it's cooked properly. I am going to transfer this into a plate. So transfer it into a plate and now I am going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. So this is my delicious and tasty Rava Upma recipe. Please try this recipe at home. It's very healthy. Thank you for watching my video. Till that time, bye bye.